What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm gonna show you a pretty cool experiment with lycopodium powder. That's how you pronounce it. Dragon breath powder. Also it's dry spores of clump moss. So it's just a powder from a plant. So in this experiment we're gonna put this lycopodium powder inside of the water and let's see what happens. Lycopodium powder. Let's see what it's all about. I'm gonna pour it in a jar, just like that, with water. Now I'm going to put my hand in it, and boom. Wow, look at my fingers. If I pull it out, they dry again. Pretty insane, huh? Put my hand in, pull it out, my hand is still dry. Pretty beautiful, isn't it? Take it off. My hand is still dry. Check this out. And if I pull it out, it's still dust. Isn't it crazy? Put my hand all the way in. Pull it out. My hand is still dry. Amazing. I love this experiment. So much fun. Okay, now I'm gonna slowly pour it and light it on fire. Man, wind is going towards my hand. Woo! It's crazy, I should probably wear a glove. Okay, if I'm gonna slowly pour it, let's see what happens. Pretty incredible, huh? Lycopodium powder, even though it's floating on top of the water, when it falls, it's turned into dust and it slides up. Pretty crazy. And we'll do this one more time. Oh shoot. And we're gonna try this one more time. It's too windy. Woo! That's insane. Pretty crazy. What do you guys think? By the way guys, you see, water does not burn, just the powder that comes off from water burning. But it looks like water is burning. That's insane. I barely was turning it.
And hold it.